Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be with room galore. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, Bluetooth streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. This from Edmunds.com. Powerful and unapologetically American, the Cadillac Escalade ESV is the big kahuna of the Escalade luxury SUV family. Cadillac is driving the world forward. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.